Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on +6 mixed complements. Okay, ma'am, I have seen this formula somewhere before. We have done this +6 big friends formula. Why are you making us do again? It's because the formula might be same. Okay, but the way we are going to apply it is different. Although, guys, there is one more formula that is like this, but since it will be a new formula for you to learn, so I am sticking to this formula only. Both of the formulas are same. See, it says +6 equals to +1 minus 5 plus 10. Okay, hide this plus 10 for a minute. What is +1 minus, what is 5 minus 1? What is +1 minus 5? It is -4 only, no? So I have just, cut this part and wrote the solution here, and 10 is as it is. So that formula might confuse you for future, so we will do with this formula only. No, now let's see. We will be doing B row in class. A row is homework, and as usual, we will apply this formula where I won't have enough bits left to do +6. Okay. Now, +7 plus 6. This is what I was talking about. Have you ever been in this situation like that? No, right? Why? If I have to add +6 here, what is my formula of 6 plus 6? It is +10 minus 4. +10 I can do. Can I do -4 now? No. So we are further applying the formula of -4, that is -5 plus 1. That is what is written here. That is what is written here, -5 plus 1. Okay. So I am making you do with the old formula. It will just be a new formula for you to learn. Basically, we are applying formula and formula. This +10 we are able to do, but when we are doing this -4 of the 6's formula, we are applying the formula of -4 because we are not getting beats to do -4. The thing is, I am not getting beats to do +6. So I applied the formula of +6. In +6 formula also, I am not getting beats to do -4. So I am applying formula of -4. Understood? It may seem, a little confusing, but just stick to this formula and you'll get it. So 7 plus 6 we did. Now -2 plus 6. My answer is 17. My answer is 17. Next question. 2, 4. Can I do 4 here? No. So my formula for 4 is +5 minus 1. Plus 6. Again plus 6. What is the formula of +6? The original, OG formula, the formula we did. +10 minus 4. No beats for -4. So formula of -4 is -5 plus 1. Plus 6 is done now. Now -1. My answer is 11. Okay. Next question. +8 minus 1 plus 6. Can I do +6? Do I have enough bits to do +6? No. So my formula of +6 is +10 minus 4. -4 I can't do, so I'm applying the formula of -4 also. That is -5 plus 1. Then -3 in the question. My answer is 10. Next. +9. Again 9. No beats to do 9. So formula of 9 is +10 minus 1. Plus 6. No beats to do 6. So formula of 6 is +10 minus 4. No beats to do -4 also. So formula of -4, -5 plus 1. Now +4. No beats to do +4. So formula of +4, +5 minus 1. Just everywhere we are applying the formula wherever it's required. Next. 4 plus 3. No beats to do 3. So formula of 3, +5 minus 2. Then +6. No beats to do +6. So formula of 6, +10 minus 4. I applied the formula of -4 here. That is -5 plus 1. Now again +6. 6 that we can easily add. So that we will easily add. That something that we are not able to add, we'll apply the formula. Okay. My answer is 19. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay. Finish the arrow in your homework. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.